Among many other strategic political fronts, the War Veterans constituency is one of the critical succession battlegrounds between President Emerson Mnangagwa and Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Sambena mashuko bulanjuka panapa panot the succession battle. Aiwa on the War Veterans front, you subscribe bell icon on the bell icon. Timina mnamu bulanjuka mchinsi. The War Veterans played a leading role during Zimbabwe's liberation struggle. Hence, their historical significance and legitimacy in current politics. When Chiwenga launched his fierce assault on Mnangagwa and his ZANU-PF faction, which wants him to extend his rule beyond his 2028 second-term constitutional limit to 2030 in January. While he was acting president, he used the war veterans as the force to fire sustained broadsides, saying he is failed as a leader and is now presiding over a kleptocratic regime characterized by patronage, cronyism, and nepotism, as well as corruption. The news hoax explained in January how Chiwenga's succession plan, which has escalated the fight, but it seems to be stalling at least for now, amid a fight back by Mnangagwa and his faction. The battle had intensified dramatically last October after ZANU-PF annual conference in Bulawayo, where Mnangagwa was given an option to extend his rule to 2030 amid growing and angry internal elections. As a result, the war veterans said Mnangagwa must go, a demand they are sustaining. Since January, Mnangagwa and Chiwenga have been at each other's throats by proxy, but sometimes the political attacks have been blunt and direct enough to publicly reveal the ongoing divisions and infighting. While Chiwenga is in support of the larger faction of the war veterans, represented by his key allies like Andreas Ethan Matibela and Blessed Geza, Mnangagwa has been doing everything to win the backing of the ex-combatants as well. Domashko arikuda pangwa ina arikono kwa kunzi aiwa pani ma fresh attacks arikono kwa kunzi pani ma faction arimo muma war veterans. Kunyanya zvamuri kuona kuti izvezvi pane ma war veterans funds nema presidential input scheme arikuitiwa arikono kwa kunzi ari aimed pama war veterans. Zvinoda kuti kuri kuno kwanzi ma war veterans ari kunyanya kusympathize na VP Constantino Chiwenga. Modze mafunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechiitiko ichi mina comment section medu mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.